Hi everyone, I'm looking at doing an EGR delete on my E93 330D BMW. It's the M57 engine, so pre-LCI. I'm doing something a bit different to the usual kind of total delete that everybody does. I'm doing more of a blanking kit, so essentially what I'm going to do is leave everything in place and not remove anything. However, I'm going to blank off everything, so basically essentially put stops in, so put some blocks in to stop the EGR gases and the thermostat kind of working at all. So it's a very simple kit. Literally that is it. That's what you've got. So this piece goes into the EGR kind of pipe from the exhaust in there, and then these two blanks go into the the EGR cooler. So I believe one goes in here, and the second one is just about here. Hopefully going to be a fairly straightforward job. It's getting a bit dark, so I'm going to see how quickly I can get this done. So at the moment what I've done is just removed some of the air net just to give me a bit of space. I needed to remove this one. This is the one that there's one here, this pipe. So this is the turbo inlet. There's these two reverse torques that are there, and then that comes off the air intake section here, the air scoop, which I've taken off as well. So this section from here, and then yeah, just the other air intake pipe from here. Yeah, let's see how we get along. So a quick update. What I've ended up doing is taking the actual EGR cooler off. I've taken it off with the thermostat on there and just disconnected all the hoses. So here's the exhaust side. It's quite a precise kit, to be honest. Very simple, straightforward. I've matched this up and it sits very nicely flush into there as well. And yeah, so to give you an idea, this bit with the groove on it goes on here, and then that just goes straight in, and then the copper bits, which are actually blocking the thermostat side. So the open bit, the open side, if you like, is there, facing towards the thermostat. And then the reason I took this off was just to it makes your life so much easier just putting this bottom piece on. So I've to give you an idea, there's the clamp that came with the kit. So the middle clamp is actually holding in place the piece that's blocking the fluid, and then the top clamp is actually the one that came with the kit, and then this just plugs straight back in. So yeah, that's the way I've done it. It just made my life so much easier. So we've got it all back up and running. I've actually been driving it like this for about a week now, and as you can see, the engine running fine. There's no issues or anything. I just wanted to make this bit of the video to show there's no kind of issues or anything. So there's no kind of smoke coming out. Where was the EGR? Well, if there was any kind of leaks or anything, it would be more than visible in this area that there would be some smoke. And as you can see, there's no kind of exhaust fumes or anything. And then this is where the EGR thermostat's gone. So there is one of the blocking copper pieces is just over here, which is held in by this clamp here, and then you've got one underneath down there, and you can see there's no kind of leak or anything, any kind of abnormal have normal kind of behavior from the car. So yeah, fairly cheap and efficient fix. It was, the only thing I would say, the piece that goes into the exhaust side at the back there, I just needed a some instant gasket, as I say, just to block that piece off, because it was quite fiddly to keep it held in. Managed to get it in the end, but yeah, it was definitely a bit fiddly to just have that being held in while I was trying to assemble that section again. I would definitely say it's worth taking the whole EGR cooler system out, because it's just that much easier to put the bottom pipe on. So the pipe just down here, it's a lot easier to put that on once you've got the whole EGR cooler out. But apart from that, as you can see, it's all running good and well. So for 15 quid, it's not bad, I'd say. Thanks for watching.